I'm going to show you a new copy and paste method to make over $500 every single day, and this works worldwide. This is completely free, and this will work for any age group. I don't care who. Now, if you want to know how to crush it online with this new method that can make you $500 per day, basically guaranteed, then smash that like button right now and comment down below why you deserve to win the giveaway for this video. Like, this is the easiest thing to learn ever, and imagine if you're making an extra $500 a day, what would you do? Would you go travel the world? Would you buy a car? Would you buy a house? Would you save for retirement? I don't care. But imagine what you would do with that kind of money. This is the hugest new opportunity I have seen in a long, long time. And basically all you're doing, guys, is you're modeling success. You're copying other successful stuff and just pasting it. So if you are excited, smash that like button. Let's dive right into the video.
Welcome to this video, Learner Machines. In this video, I want to teach you guys how you can make $500 with adult marketing. If you ever heard of adult marketing, it's basically you go on these adult websites, okay? You don't have to see anything or do anything bad, okay? All you do is you advertise on these adult sites. You don't need to see anything bad. And it's crazy because there's so much freaking traffic. Like, the traffic's endless. It's not strict at all. And, like, the opportunity is endless with this, okay? And so I love it so much. And as you can see my results right here, that's $54,000. I'm 18 days into the month here, okay? And it's insane. And that's like $3,000-ish per day. And that's with paid ads, okay? None of this is free traffic at all, okay? I keep this stuff very secretive, but I have a whole entire course about it, which is very low priced. I'll be coming out with new courses about adult marketing all the time, like updated versions and different methods to use to crush it with adult. But I'm going to give you a method in this video right now and explain some stuff that you could absolutely go and crush it with, okay? Because if you put $1 in advertising and you make $5 back, or if you make $10 back or more, even $2, guys, that is a business you could scale to the moon, okay? And I mean, the opportunity just never, it's endless, okay? And so if you take action on this opportunity right now, you could absolutely just radically change your life. And I'm not selling anything here, okay? I'm giving you straight value right now, okay? So here's how you do it, man. You go to Crack Revenue. Now, there's a lot of different CPA networks for adult. There's a lot of CPA networks in general. I recommend sign up for as many as you can so you just have them. You can look through all their offers and see what are their best offers, okay? Because a lot of networks are going to have bad offers, then they're going to have a lot of good offers. You want to go for the ones that have, like, good offers. And every single network has good freaking offers you could promote, okay? And so you find these offers easily by sorting by EPC, okay, down here. This right here is the top offer based off EPC. It's in Denmark, okay? Now, there's a bunch of ones here. You want to test it for yourself and find out, but you'll notice if you go right here, these are the very top offers, okay? But you'll also find offers, this is a very cool trick, but the trick is you literally need to go through everything they've got on every single network that you're on, okay, and that you sign up for. You need to check and see, like, what do they have, and try to brainstorm how you could promote it, okay? Paper sale offers. Let's talk about that real quick. Paper sale offers like this one right here. It's a paper sale offer. You get paid $75 per freaking sale, okay, that you send them. And you're targeting this specific country for this offer right here. This one right here for the USA, okay? This one's $20 EPC, you get paid $60, okay? That's really good. That's really, really good because you could spend $60 to break even when you first start testing, okay? You could spend way more than that and break even and get enough data to know what's working with your ads and crush it. Now, where do you advertise, you're probably wondering, okay? You could go to places like Traffic Junkie. You can go to places like Traffic Factory. So Traffic Junkie, that one's like the biggest one, pretty much, and it's easiest to use. It's got sites like Pornhub and other sites like that, okay, on it, okay, like RedTube and all these crazy sites and XHamster or whatever. Traffic Factory has X Videos as their biggest site that they have access to for you to advertise on, okay? Then there's things like pop under traffic, and you could do pop under traffic. You could go to sites like ExoClick, has both banner and pop under. You could go to places like Plug Rush, okay, and Juicy Ads and things like this. There's a lot more, but those are the main ones. There's one called Arrow Advertising. Now let's talk about this, how you could copy and paste success. If you want to copy and paste success, here's what you do, okay? So let's say you actually want to pick this offer right here. You're going to pick this offer, and you're going to go straight to an adult spy tool. I use Adplexity for adult, and you can actually get access to Adplexity Adult through me. If you click down below and links in the description, you can get access to it for super cheap. Okay, you're saving $200 if you buy it through me. And then I give you my login info so you can use it. Okay. Now the thing is, you go to the spy tool and you literally are able to sort by the longest running offers and the campaigns, and the campaigns who have literally received the most traffic, and even the newest campaigns. You might even find some of my biggest campaigns out there and my current campaigns that are running right now. And the thing is, you're able to model success and copy and paste it. You're able to model success. How do you do that? You're literally given the best banners, the best landing page links, and where they got their traffic from. You're literally getting everything. It's crazy, okay? So you can find these top offers here. They're literally all over the place on this whole entire network, man. Every single offer here could make you $1 million. Think about it. Just enough traffic. It's paying you a good amount of money. And I mean, you just scale it up. More traffic, more traffic. Imagine if you got 1 million clicks to some offer like this one right here. You're gonna make money. And then there's another element of all of this, okay? There's this thing on Crack Revenue where every single link that you have, any back button someone presses who click through your link, you get paid for. And you also get pop under redirects that are monetized through your link, okay? So you make extra money just from that. So it's really, really awesome. There's a lot of tricks of the trade. I'm going to give you guys a lot of methods on this channel, so you can check those out. But this method in general, what it is, okay, is you are copy and pasting campaigns that you find on adult spy tools, okay? The stuff that is working, receiving the most traffic, or running the longest. You find it over at Crack Revenue, the offer that they're running, and you literally copy them. Usually they're direct linking, or they have like a survey lander beforehand. I prefer direct linking, okay? But sometimes I actually prefer doing my own like whole entire funnels, collecting my own payments and giving away digital products and selling them related to like either the wealth niche or the love niche, okay? And then the back end, I'm promoting all these offers, okay, over email and over just the inside of the back end products, okay? And inside the actual products, I'm linking to all these good offers, okay, that I know convert super, super high. And that's how I'm doing this, okay? So there's a lot more money than just this right here, okay? So I need you to understand that. If you guys want to learn more, check out more videos. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, learn machines.